I'm thrilled to be here today for the inauguration of our new TPU production facility in Zhuhai. It represents far more than just another manufacturing site. It will become Covestro's largest TPU facility globally and marks a pivotal milestone in our region for region strategy and our commitment to strengthen our specialties and solutions business. The location could not be more strategic. South China, particularly the Greater Bay Area, serves as a global epicenter for the IT, automotive and footwear industries. By positioning ourselves at the heart of these critical value chains, we're not just following our customers, we're anticipating their future needs. This facility transforms how we serve our markets and enables us to deliver innovative, sustainable TPU solutions with unprecedented speed and agility, while fostering collaboration with customers and partners throughout the region and beyond. We're not just manufacturing here. We're building the foundation for the next chapter of growth in advanced materials.
As we look at the rapidly evolving TPU market in Asia Pacific, this new Zhuhai facility is our strategic response to unprecedented demand. We are starting with 30,000 tons of annual production capacity in phase 1, with plans for significant expansion to serve regional and global markets. This significantly expands our global TPU production network and solidifies our position as one of the world's leading TPU suppliers. What truly differentiates this facility are powerful regional synergies we've created. Our new Zhuhai production site works seamlessly with our R&D center in Changhua and our application development center in Guangzhou. This integrated setup positions us to deliver exceptional value and build lasting partnerships with our customers.
Today's launch further established our presence in the Greater Bay Area in South China, empowering us to develop increasingly innovative and sustainable solutions locally while serving customers throughout Asia with greater agility and responsiveness. By leveraging powerful regional synergies, we are uniquely positioned to deepen our engagement with major TPU industry clusters across China and Asia Pacific. In consumer electronics, we're supporting manufacturers with high flexibility TPU material for smart home appliances and robotic devices. In automotive, our TPU solution enhance exterior surface protection and functional film applications, as well as to interior components that enable advanced driver assistance systems. For specialty extrusion applications, we are enabling innovations in medical devices components, industrial hoses, and high-performance films. Importantly, the Zhuhai site is capable of producing TPU with our CQ label, materials containing at least 25% alternative, non-fossil raw materials that support our customers in significantly reducing their carbon footprint in final products, which is especially critical in sectors like electronics, where sustainability has become a defining global trend.